I call this the Vitality Body program because there's a physical or structural body, how you look. But if we go even deeper, there's a biochemical body. What's happening on a microscopic level with your enzymes, your hormones, your neurotransmitters, and all the metabolic processes in your body. Then infused through both of these is an energetic body. Every organ, every gland, every tissue, every cell has an energy to it, a specific resonance to it. The processes from your cells creating energy to your heart beating create energy, which make up your energetic body. NASA calls this your bioelectromagnetic field, and we can detect it 15 feet around your body. What I refer to as mind-body is the process that connects you to your energetic body. This energy can be felt. It can impact your body in both positive and negative ways. Thoughts in our head, they're biochemical and neurological, but feelings are physical. They're in our bodies. They can be felt, and they're part of our energetic body. If you're sad, if you're excited, if you're angry, there's an energy to these emotions. An energy that is moving, energy that is acknowledged, energy that is processed is healthy. It feels light and balanced. Energy that is stagnant, judged, or ignored weighs on the body. And the second you connect to your body, energy starts moving in a positive and healing way. The problem is we don't take time to connect to our energetic body. Actually, we often intentionally try to disconnect and numb from it. We get home after a hard day and we binge watch Netflix, or have a glass of wine, or smoke, or shop, or take drugs, or we eat, and the energy builds up like a pressure cooker until one day it explodes out. If you choose not to feel an emotion, your body will eventually make you feel it another way. So how do we connect to our energetic body? How do we tune in? Mind-body. So there are many different techniques of mind-body, and I will walk you through a couple throughout this program. The first is a breathing technique paired with guided visualization, designed to lower stress. So instinctual stress is the stress our ancestors experienced, running from a lion or fighting in a battle. But most modern day stress is toxic stress. It's unrelenting daily stress. And stress raises a hormone in our body called cortisol. And cortisol is the primary hormone responsible for storing belly fat. So reducing stress is an important component of sustainable weight loss. When we're little, stress is like a windy dirt road. It takes a lot to get stressed. There's branches, there's rocks, there's things in our path. But by the time we're adults, the stress is like the 405 freeway. We can go from 0 to 60 in 10 seconds, and it's 7 lanes across. Think of stress as a pathway in your body. The more you're stressed, the more efficient you become at being stressed. But the same goes for relaxation and de-stressing. You have to practice it. You have to become just as efficient as relaxing and de-stressing as you are in being stressed. It has to be an everyday practice. So what's the best way to get out of stress physiology? Ultimately, anything you enjoy doing, as long as you're consistent with it. Think of these techniques as off-ramps off that 4 or 5 stress freeway. We can't always control the stress or like the speed of traffic, but we can choose when we get off. The other part of this mind-body meditation involves guided visualization. There's a saying, where your mind goes, energy flows. So a study at Bishop's University revealed that participants were able to use visualization to make nearly identical gains in strength and fitness. One group did nothing outside their normal routine. The second group was put through 2 weeks of highly focused strength training for one specific muscle 3 times a week. And the third group only listened to audio CDs that guided them to imagine themselves going through the same workout as the exercising group 3 times a week. And the results blew everyone away. The control group, who didn't do anything, saw no gains in strength. No big surprise there. But the exercise group, who trained 3 times a week, saw a 28% increase in strength. And then the group that did not exercise, but rather thought about exercising through visualization, nearly had the same gains in strength as the exercise group. They had 24% gains in muscle strength. So yes, the group that visualized exercised got nearly the same benefit in terms of strength gain as the group that worked out. In another study, Harvard showed the impact of your thoughts on calories burned. So in the study, housekeeping staff at a major hotel were told that what they did on a daily basis actually qualified as exercise that's needed to be fit and healthy. They made no changes in their behavior, just kept doing the job same as always. 4 weeks later, those housekeepers had lost weight, lower blood pressure, body fat percentage, waist to hip ratio, and BMI. A similar group of housekeepers who had not been led to believe their job qualified as exercise saw none of those changes. So let's combine the breath work to reduce stress and guided visualization for maximum benefit. The breathing exercise I'm going to show you is an excellent way to stimulate your parasympathetic rest and digest response and compete with your stress response called a sympathetic response. So take a moment, get into a comfortable place, and below there's a guided audio for you to listen to and go through this meditation.